I'm going to take a little video to describe the progress and construction of the Chabad house. Here is where the entrance will be. I'm going to take a video outside in a minute, and you walk into this room over here, which will be the foyer. And then as you walk in, you're going to walk in this room. There will be a dedication plaque over here for all the donors. And then you're going to walk in here. There will be the entrance to the shul for the men, and here will be the entrance for the women. And right here where you see those three poles will be the wall separating the shul from the social hall. This will be the shul. That door is going away at the east wall, and this is the shul. In here on the other side of the hallway will be the office. And if you come down this way, you will have here will be a lounge in this little section with a coffee station and some coat racks over here. This room will be a library and place for shiurim, adult education classes, and a place to study, to learn if somebody is in town. In here will be the entrance to the social hall. This area will be the social hall, as you can see. And from the social hall there will be two doors. This door will enter to the dairy kitchen, and from this door you are going to go into the meat kitchen. This is the area where the meat kitchen will be, and that will be a little storage room. You enter from the social hall. This will be the utility room. We're going to have a washer and dryer and a few other things. And this is going again into the social hall. And in here you can see the meat kitchen. There was some sort of kitchen here before, so we're just modifying it. It'll be a smaller kitchen for dairy. And over here on the other side of the building, behind the lounge and the kitchens, this will be the women's restroom, and then we're going to have the men's restroom, and then this will be the classroom for Hebrew school and for children's programs. Here we have a storage room / electrical closet, and here we have the computer lounge and online school and other things. And this will be some more storage, and I'm going to take a video on the outside in a minute. Here you can see the outside. They're working today on air conditioning. This is where you park and you enter, and this will be the entrance.